All right, now let's declare a variable called interest rate. So let interest rate, and we set this to 0.3. Now this is the initial value. We can always change that later. So we can set interest rate to, let's say, 1. Now if we log this on the console, of course we're going to see the new value, right? So save the changes, and here's 1 on the console. However, in a real-world application, there are situations that we don't want the value of a variable to change, because otherwise it's going to create all kinds of bugs in our application. In those situations, instead of a variable, we use a constant. So the value of a variable, as the name implies, can change, but the value of a constant cannot change. So here, if we change let to const, now interest rate will be a constant. So when I save the changes, you're going to see an error in the console on line 3 where we reassign interest rate. So let's have a look. Save the changes, and here's the error. On caught type error, assignment to constant variable. You can see this error happen in index.js, line 3. Now if you click here, you can see the line in code where this error occurred. So we cannot reassign a constant. All right, now back to the console. So here's the best practice. If you don't need to reassign, constant should be your default choice. Otherwise, if you need to reassign a variable, use let.